This is Seagull's warning. I heard this morning the seagull's warning of a storm blowing in off the sea, but the day was bright and far was the night, so I took no heed. Now I am walking home in the rain, my bone body draped by these heavy clothes, cold wet skin, warm heart within, a happiness already growing old. My day was planned to the nth degree. Breakfast, usual, toast and tea. Quick shop for all the things I need, then go to class contentedly, discuss murder, politics, anarchy. I leave the room and what should I see? There she is, waiting for me. She's not waiting, of course, she's merely continuing in her own trajectory to where her line intersects mine. The pattern is chaos, but the result, sublime. So we stand, we talk, we make exchange of petty words, and I turn away, my heart in hers. I walked away. I walked, and I am walking still though. Tiredness is like a small child tugging at my limbs, declaring it's time to go home. And yes, homeward I go, though I find I scarcely know my destination. No, I am still staring dumbly into her bright, vivacious eyes. I'm still playing poet, still trying to find a metaphor to suit my mind, to describe her elfin face, my pixie girl, my diamond sprite. Too many cliches are getting in the way. I hadn't realized before today how strong it felt, nor how pain can grow from joy. Because as I am walking home in the rain, the happiness dies. That feeling of bursting into butterflies, it just dies. Just dies. And where it lived, this crooked phoenix slowly tests its wings. This is an infatuated love that does not, that shall not repay. I did not take heed of the seagull's cry, when the day was young and foolish bright. But now the storm has rolled in off the sea, and as I walk home, it's drowning me.